Do you struggle with holiday greeting card clutter? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about how to organize holiday greeting cards here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And holidays are a great time. We love all the greeting cards. They're so pretty to look at, but eventually we need a plan. So let's talk about it. Now that the holidays are over, the time of we're recording this video, it's time to clean up all of the decorations and put away the seasonal items. But what do you do with all those holiday greeting cards? In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 ideas for how to prevent greeting card clutter. So here we go. The first idea is to read them and recycle them. If you're like me, some cards have less sentimental value than others. So enjoy the message and move on. That might take care of some of your greeting cards, but you may have others that you're just not ready to let go of. So let's try idea number 2. Repurpose them. You can cut cards into smaller pieces and use them to make gift tags, or cut them down the spine and turn the cover into a postcard. Another idea is to donate them. Daycare centers, elementary schools, they can repurpose old greeting cards by using them for art projects. So sometimes if you know it's going to live on in another way, you might be more willing to let them go. The fourth idea is to display them, but assign an expiration date. Designate a shelf to display cards that you get related to a special occasion, because we can do this not only for the holidays, but you can do this for anniversary cards or birthday cards. But after 2 or 3 weeks, let them go. Now, if you receive an annual family photo as part of one of your friends or family members' holiday greeting cards, you can hold on to the photo part until the next year's card and photo arrive. Fifth idea is to capture the moment. If you want to keep cards from a specific event, like a wedding or a graduation, you can put them in a designated photo box, or you can create a scrapbook or photo album. I did this with our wedding, where we took all the cards that we got and I put them into a wedding scrapbook that also had things like the cocktail napkins and the program from the wedding, things like that. Now, in that instance, I prefer to cut cards down the spine so that I can display the cover and the inside message side by side on each scrapbook album page. Well, I hope these tips have helped you think about ways that you can let go of some of your holiday greeting cards without them becoming clutter and still be able to enjoy them in the moment. I would love to hear your tips. Comment below. I also encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.